Hey, Pidge? But you've got to keep studying hard.
What's the point?
Well, it was my brain that got me into the Galaxy Garrison. I guess it was my brains. Could have been my good looks or my big muscles.
That's amazing! Oh man, I'm so excited.
What are you doing?
So I can get into the garrison with you and Dad.
Actually, it's a quantum frequency.
But I thought we weren't supposed to talk to Dad.
The real code. We both memorize additions and subtractions to numbers we send. They still don't know what we're saying.
Seems a little low-tech.
Sure, but you can't rely too much on computers. The most powerful processor you have is right here, and it can never be hacked. What Dad doesn't know won't hurt him. Pidge? I can't believe you found me. It doesn't seem possible. Okay, but seriously, how'd you get this far into space?
It's a long story. Is there any chance you've heard of Voltron?
Of course I've heard of Voltron. No. Seriously? You're a paladin of Voltron? That's so awesome!
What?
Stand back,
Pidge. Huh?
Let's show this guy what the Holts are made of.
Stay away from my sister! Pidge! The panel!
Good thinking. Exposing that electric whip to the asteroid's magnetic field.
Circuit?
Tesla!
I have the coolest little sister in the whole galaxy. Now all we have to do is find Dad.
No.
Miss you too. But you know, space. I'm so excited.
I know, but I can't believe
You can talk to me anytime.
I thought I wasn't allowed to bother you guys on your mission.
Of course you're not, but you know the code. What the garrison doesn't know. Not anymore. The garrison fixed my eyes. I look way cooler now. Yeah?
No. Space and getting you.